Hi, here we are right now. Here we go, the zero. Woo!
Red light.
Oh yeah. It's a 0-30 mode, easy mode, sport mode. Oh yeah, a little torquey. Alright, I'm gonna go take a test run. You guys ready?
Good. Stop it.
Good, stop it.
You're not really going to, are you?
That's pretty stiff. Check this out. Who wants to ride? That's pretty cool. Do I hit that button?
Which one?
Just the lower right. Here we are, Eve before Christmas Eve with Alex Anderson. Alex, give me an idea what you think this thing will be like, maybe in competition to a YZ250F.
I don't know, it doesn't, looks a little lighter weight, but looks like it could hang with it.
You've seen some of the video already, haven't you? Okay, just give me a little gas. Okay, just remember it's kind of cold.
This is rear brake?
No, front. Right? Okay. Just remember use your left hand. Yeah, what?
Where do you want me to go?
Just, yeah, tool down the road a little bit. A little gas to get out of there. Go ahead, romp it up. Yeah. Not the back brake. You don't.
I can't tell which one's back.
Front brake is right hand. That's just already ground in, or?